What I have found is that when you're talking to the client and you're asking them questions, it doesn't have to be an interrogation. It's just getting them to really think about their feelings connected to their physical movement. So I will move them as you normally do and you'll massage them. But when you feel, like for example, you might feel that they can't let go of their arms, so they're resisting. You'll ask them, what's that? How are they relating to that tension? How are they feeling when they feel that resistance? What's happening there? So you'll even notice that when you're doing certain movements, and this is what I was talking about in the previous videos, that this client obviously is wanting to do the movement for me. So how do you stop that? How do you get the client relaxed enough to let go? Well, we'll ask him certain questions that will get him to relate. So he's really not letting go at all. He's wanting to do it and he's still wanting to make that movement. Now, you'll feel it doesn't have to be huge, big movements or rotation or circumduction. He's just really not wanting to let go. He's pretty resistant. I would ask him what he's feeling, what his problem is, what's happening, and they will automatically know how to relate to that. Some therapists will say, let go, relax, relax. For the client, it's quite annoying because in their head they're thinking, well, I am relaxed. And this is what I was trying to explain in previous videos. It's so difficult for the client to truly let go because in their mind, in a conscious level, they're thinking they are, but in an unconscious level, they're really not, because some emotion is linking to that feeling, to what is being resistant, especially when we have athletes where they might have had an injury with their knee, or this particular client, he's had an Achilles tear. So he's going to be quite sensitive to any kind of movement. So you'll relay that back to him and you'll ask some questions. What's happening? What are you feeling? And there's going to be more into it as you delve into the course, because certain questions will get them to really look inside. And that's so important. So in the course, it's so important to know how to prime the client as you're stretching them or as you're doing your